back to my channel. Welcome back to another festive look. So again, as I asked on Instagram for color themes for festive looks, like what you all want to see, someone actually suggested nude eyes, nude lips, like peachy glitter eyes, and I was exactly thinking about something like that. It is a very wearable look for any function, for any festive occasion, and you can just change the lip color, and I think this will go with almost any outfit. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the base makeup, I'm using the Clarins Santal face oil. You have seen me use this in probably all the tutorials now. I just love this oil so much. I'm also using the MAC strobe cream. I think the shade is goldlite. I love this product for that extra glow, just so gorgeous. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty fauxfilter foundation. My shade is amaretti. This is such a great full coverage, long wearing, not cakey kind of a foundation, just doesn't look cakey. And I'm using the Henna Beauty Dab It sponge. To correct my under eye circles, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NW35, and I'm using the Huda Beauty overachiever concealer. Yeah, that's what it is called. My shade is granola. This again is a very good full coverage concealer that doesn't look cakey under the eyes and looks really flawless. As this look is about a lot of glow, I'm using the Nykaa liquid highlighter in the shade glazed bronze. I have done an IGTV video on this. A very good liquid highlighter, a little thick, but I really like it. And then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade light medium to set all that in place. To contour my face, I'm using the Nykaa contour and highlight duo. This is in the shade sizzle, chisel, and as I've mentioned in my earlier tutorial that it's a very good contour powder. Takes a bit of time to blend, but it's a very good cool tone shade. And then once again, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to bake under my eyes, as I'm going to use glitter, and also to bake the rest of my face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the pack number 1 eyeshadow to set the eyelid, and then using the pack number 28 shadow, I'm going to add this in my crease as my transition color. This is the only shadow that I'm going to use on my crease and my lower lash line. It's a very light brown, peachy brown shade, works very well for this look. So I'm going to layer this till I'm happy with the intensity of the color. Then I'm using the MAC pigment in the shade tan. I'm going to spray some fixing spray on my brush and then apply it. You can see how gorgeous this pigmented. You can just leave it by itself and not use the glitter if you want to go for something a little more natural. But I wanted to go all glam, so I thought of using a glitter, and I'm using this Stila liquid glitter. You can find these on the Sephora India website. I will list the shade name of this glitter in the description box. So I'm applying it with the felt tip, and then I'm using my brush to just even it out. And I'm not going to open my eyes till it just dries down a bit, just for a few seconds, so it doesn't transfer on my eyelids. And I'm using the Glowmierebeauty Soho eyelashes. You can see how gorgeous it looks. I'm using this black liner from L'Oreal and just going to apply it very close to the lashes just to cover the lash band. I didn't want a heavy eyeliner for this look. Then moving on to the face, I'm using the MAC blush in the shade Peaches. Such a beautiful peach toned blush. I love this one. Then to layer the highlighter, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Beaming Blush. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's such a beautiful champagne color and it doesn't look sparkly. It looks really beautiful. So I'm going to just go all the way with the highlighter and apply lots of it. And also going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to just spray a lot of fixing spray. This one is the pack microfinish. And moving on to the lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Trendsetter lip contour to line my lips. Then using my favorite new nude lipstick combo, I'm using the MAC liquid lipstick. I believe the shade is Burnt Spice. I will mention it below in the description. And then I'm just going to top it over with the cremesheen lipstick by MAC again in the shade Shy Girl. I love this combo. And I thought of applying a very light kajal on my lower line just to complete the look. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you all really liked the video. If you all really did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your family and friends who would like to wear something like this. Absolutely love this glitter. If you all know any other brand that makes really good glitters, like affordable brands, please let me know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications on so you know when I upload a new video. I will link the other festive videos here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.